Hi everyone, this is Alexander Antsipov, and in this video I'm going to show how to show Json object in screen of mobile application. So I will use Appery mobile platform and their new editor Ionic 4. First, let's create new application with name Json app. Application is ready, and first let's open screen 1 and add variable with name object. So namely this variable will be displayed on the screen. Specify type as any and value as a complicated object. So A1 and B this value also is object, where D is array with value 1, 2, 3. So first let's show this object using text component. So just add text component and specify text as object and press test. Application is ready, and we see that on the screen is displayed object and object because we're trying to say rather complicated object. So let's come back to our application and a little bit modify our application. So add, for example, text variable as a string, then go back to design tab and change object on text and add event panel, select page here and specify event. After page showing, specify action, run TypeScript and add following code. This text equal JSON stringify this object. Press save, save here, go to preview and refresh. So now we see the value of our JSON object, but it is wanted to see it in a structured format. So for that, let's go back to our design mode and stringify function except two additional parameters. First is delimiter, so let's specify it as a null, and second, number of spaces for formatting. So let's specify as a 2. Press save, save, and refresh preview. So, and again, we didn't see our JSON object in formatted view. So again, let's come back to design mode and now change the container from ion text to pre. Save and refresh again. Now we see that JSON was formatted, but unfortunately we see the leading white spaces. In order to eliminate it, let's come back to our design mode and instead of text, let's use inner HTML attribute also with value text. So let's save and refresh. And now we see the displayed JSON object properly. That is all what I wanted to show in this video. In next video I will show how to display JSON object in expandable view. So please subscribe to this channel, and if you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments.